Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at an Olympiad problem. The question is given: if 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c equal to minus 1, then find the value of a, b, c of a plus b plus c plus 1 over a plus b, a plus c, b plus c. We have to find the value of this. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 900 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. This type of problems you cannot find in any other channel. That is the challenge, Amma. So here given 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c is minus 1. Now if you take the LCM, AB plus BC plus CA will be equal to minus ABC. So from this you can write BC plus AC is equal to minus AB minus ABC. Now what is required here? ABC of A plus B plus C plus 1 over A plus B, A plus C, B plus C. Now here I am taking AB, sending B inside. I am getting AC plus BC plus C square plus C. In the denominator I am writing A plus B into, here both of this I am multiplying. So I am getting AC plus AB plus BC plus C square. Now AB into, now in the place of AC and BC, in the place of AC and BC, I am going to write the value minus AB minus ABC. From here I am going to write here minus AB minus ABC plus C square plus C. Now in the denominator A plus B, now in the place of AB plus BC plus CA, in the place of AB plus BC plus CA, you can write minus ABC. Now in the place of this you can write a minus ABC. Now here we have two factors. AB into, here you can take minus AB common. Here you can write C plus 1. Here you can take C common. C plus 1 over A plus B. A plus B C into, here you can take C common. C minus AB. Now the factors I am going to write AB into C plus 1 into C minus AB. So in the denominator we will get AB C into C minus AB. C minus AB get cancel. Now what is left here? AB into C plus 1 by AC plus BC. So here AB of C plus 1. Now here AC plus BC. AC plus BC, you can write it as minus AB minus ABC. Minus AB minus ABC. So here you can take minus AB common in the denominator. So AB into C plus 1 minus AB common if you take here you can write C plus 1. Both get cancelled. So here you are getting the answer minus 1 now. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.